Hello and welcome to my 5th devlog video for my game Drone Extreme. In this video I'm going to be covering 4 topics in which I've been working on over the last few weeks. This would include Cinemachine, multiplayer, scoring and a splash screen. So first off we will focus on Cinemachine. So for Cinemachine I have removed the main camera from the drone and added a Cinemachine brain to it. Then on the drone I've created a virtual camera with a Cinemachine collider, and I'm currently working on getting it so that the drone doesn't look through the floor. It'll collide with so the camera will collide with objects and it won't look through the floor or other objects. It will stay centered, but I haven't fully gotten that working yet, but still working on it. So that's it for Cinemachine. I've also been working on multiplayer over the last few weeks. So as you can see here, this window here shows a build, and this one is just in the editor. I've already flown myself over to where my player is in the editor. So I hosted on the editor and then joined with a client on the build. Controls are working on both, but apart from that I think this is good progress. I have it so that the if I can show you the client network transform, so it works so that it passes the position and rotation so that it updates the drone on the build. So when I move here it'll update it here, and if I move in the build it'll also update the drone position and rotation in the editor, so you can actually see the person flying around. And that's about all I've done for multiplayer over the last few weeks. Over the next few weeks I'm going to be focusing on separating the controls and try to get it working on a separate computer. Right now it seems to be only working local. I've also been working on the proximity meter and the scoring. So if I can show you, the score does go up when you get close to an object. As you can see, there's a multiplier, so the score increases the faster, the multiplier increases the faster you go, and which increases the score. So for now it seems the multiplier only goes up to 1.5. I haven't been able to get it up further than that. It should go up further, so that's something I do need to fix. As you can see here, the proximity affects the multiplier. The higher the proximity, so the closer you are to the object, it will multiply the score faster, and that is also the same for the speed. So it will increase the multiplier by 0.5 if the speed of the drone is increased along with how close the drone is to objects. This of course needs to be refined and more detailed, as it is quite basic at the moment. I've also been working on a very simple splash screen, so in the future I probably will change all the fonts and the colors and just make it look a lot nicer, but for now, for functionality, I just have a very basic home screen modes, so race, multiplayer, and then settings, which has nothing in it yet, but it will. So the home one, and then these are buttons, so you can just click in and it will join a scene. I also have the issue with lighting at the moment. I need to fix that. So when you load up a scene, when you play it from the editor it seems fine, but then when you load it up from another scene, it seems to have some sort of issue with the lighting. So I will be working on that also in the coming weeks. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.